is on!
Are the racing cars ready?
Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, the race is very intense. The race car is leading, but the pickup truck is also following the race car.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, a dinosaur.
Oh no!
Let me go, I'm not food.
Let's go! Oh no! Help! Help!
What is that?
Help! Help!
What are you doing?
Help! Help! Help!
Oh no!
Where is this?
Okay!
Okay, I'm ready.
Right now.
The thief is watching the ship return cargo. He observed for a long time and then saw the ship carrying gold. The train started moving.
Yo ho ho!
The thief started to act. The thief is destroying the train tracks.
Oh no!
The thief floated two train tracks together.
Look out!
Oh no, two trains collided.
Help! Oh!
The thief took the gold and put it in the car. He just took it, kept taking it, and loaded it into the car.
Yoo-hoo!
He left after taking all the gold.
Oh!
Go, 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 go!
Oi, oi, oi! Hey up, hey up, hey up!
Let's fix the tracks together.
Oh no! What happened?
Oh no!
The police went to check the cars of passers-by when they received reports of theft. The thief crashed into a traffic stop and fled. The police quickly hid.
What happened?
Uh-oh.
He was arrested. The thief was caught in the car.
Thank you!
People should not steal.
Bye, have a great time.
Oi, oi, oi!
Two cars traveling on the road suddenly encountered a large mountain of sand, causing the road to be lost.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Oh my god! Ha ha!
Let's go!
Hey you! Look out!
Uh-oh.
Oh man!
Wait for me. I will pull you up.
Hello!
Go, go, go!
The rescue vehicle quickly followed the police car.
Let's go!
On the way, they asked for help from the fire truck. The rescue vehicle team was fully present to rescue.
Oh man! Hey up! Hey up! Bravo!
The fire has been extinguished.
Bye, have a great time.
The fire truck put out the fire and a crane came in to rescue.
Okay, okay.
The blue truck quickly went to ask for help building the bridge.
Hey, hey, hey!
The rescue vehicle quickly transported the bridge to the sand pit location to build the bridge.
Yo ho ho! Hey you!
Okay, okay.
Yeah, the broken car is being towed by the Hulk to the place where it needs to be rescued.
Hooray! Bravo! Thank you!
Wow, they are hoisting the bridge onto the sand mountain to make a road for vehicles.
Yoo-hoo!
Go, 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 go.
The bridge is so sturdy that vehicles can pass over easily.
Bye, have a great time.